Hello, everyone. My name is Cora Young, and I'm the Emergency Preparedness Educator at Go Health, the Genesee and Orleans County Health Departments. Today, I'm going to be packing my emergency kit using the Ready.gov emergency supply list to ensure I have what I need. We will be reviewing the main checklist, but there are some additional items you should consider, which will be listed at the end. When building your emergency kit, it is important to keep your entire family in mind. You may need to include additional items if your family has pets, children, or additional medical needs. The first items we will be including are water, non-perishable food, and a can opener. Be sure to pack enough food and water for everyone in your family, including pets. Water will be useful for sanitation and drinking. Next on the list is an extra cell phone battery or a charger. You'll also want to include a battery-powered or hand crank radio that can receive NOAA weather radio tones and alerts, and extra batteries. Include a flashlight with extra batteries, a first aid kit, a whistle to signal for help, dust masks to help filter out contaminated air, and plastic sheeting and duct tape to shelter in place. Moist towelettes, garbage bags, and plastic ties for personal sanitation. Non-sparking wrenches or pliers to turn off utilities. And local maps for navigation. We have the main items for our emergency kit. Here is a list of additional items to consider. For more information, visit these resources.